Message of the day: the infinite quest for knowledge. In the vastness of the universe and the depths of our being, there lies an eternal truth. Those who do not question what they know fail to discover new realities. This principle invites us to deeply reflect on our spiritual and cognitive journey, reminding us of the vital importance of keeping the flame of curiosity and inquiry alive. By embracing this message, we open ourselves to a world of infinite possibilities. Knowledge, in its essence, is not static, but like a flowing river, always in motion, expanding and deepening with every question. When we dare to ask, to doubt our most deeply rooted certainties, we embark on a journey of discovery that transcends the limits of our current perception. This quest for truth not only enriches us intellectually, but also nourishes our spirit. By questioning, we connect more deeply with the divine essence that resides within us and the universe. Each new reality we uncover is a mirror of the vastness and complexity of creation, a reminder that we are part of something much greater than ourselves. Today, I invite you to look beyond the known, to allow questions to arise from the depths of your being. Do not fear the unknown, for in every mystery lies a door to dimensions of wisdom and understanding yet to be explored. Be courageous in your search, remain open to new perceptions, and allow yourself to be transformed by the wonderful process of learning and evolving. Remember, at the heart of every question lies an invitation to wonder, to marvel, and to connect more deeply with the very fabric of existence. Those who do not question what they know deprive themselves of the magic of discovering new realities waiting to be unveiled. So today, and every day, let your inquisitive spirit guide you, leading you on unexplored paths toward horizons of limitless knowledge and understanding. Reflecting on the vast universe of knowledge and spirituality, here are 3 questions that can open doors to profound explorations and discoveries. 1. How can we balance the pursuit of external knowledge with the development of internal wisdom? This question invites us to reflect on the interaction between learning that comes from the external world and the deep understanding that arises from introspection and personal experience. It leads us to consider how knowledge and wisdom complement each other to guide our spiritual and personal path, and also reminds us that all power lies within. 2. In what way does connecting with our spiritual essence influence our perception of reality? This question encourages us to explore the relationship between our spiritual consciousness and the way we experience and interpret the world around us. It seeks to understand how deepening our inner being can transform our view of life, our relationships, and our purpose. 3. What is the role of unconditional love in spiritual growth and the expansion of our knowledge? Here, we inquire about the influence of unconditional love toward ourselves, others, and the universe on the process of spiritual and cognitive evolution. We seek to comprehend how this love can be a transformative force that opens us to new realities and perspectives. Each of these questions offers a path to deepen our understanding of the world, ourselves, and the connective tissue of life. By contemplating them, we can find new directions in our quest for knowledge and spirituality. I wish you all the best today, and I want to remind you of something very important. When we are in tune with our inner source, that deep connection makes us free from being controlled or manipulated by fear. Maintaining that connection is key to navigating life with serenity and strength. I love you. I am Zoe. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. If you are new to the channel and this topic resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments, and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.